In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a tax form in TurboTax or how to delete a messed up TurboTax form. So it's actually quite simple. First, you must log in or create an account with TurboTax, and after you're inside your account, what you should do is over here, let me just click on that, you should go to Tools over here on the left, okay? So you should see your left side menu and you should say Tax Tools, and you want to expand this by clicking on it and then by clicking on Tools. Over here, you then want to go to Other Helpful Links and then click on Delete a Form where it says over here. So just click on that and you'll be directed to where you can review your form list. Now, before selecting one of the forms, make sure it is the correct one, because if you delete the wrong one, this may cause you some issues. So just make sure you actually delete the correct one. So for example, let's say this is the one you want to delete. You just want to click delete next to it over here. And if you are really sure this is actually the one, what you should do is press delete selected form. But if you're not sure and you want to go back, click do not delete selected form. But if you of course are sure this is the one you want to delete 100%, you want to click delete selected form. And after this, it says form successfully deleted. We have deleted form and then the name of the form, and you can press continue and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.